Morgan's Off the Leash. I'm Melissa Morgan. I'm here with daughter Hannah. I'm going to show you some simple Saturday stuff. Daughter Hannah is sitting down because she just did a 1 mile test run that she does for her accessory class over at the gym. So we went down to the track and I'm going to show you some of that footage now, and we're going to ask her some questions. Go Hannah!
Nice work, finish strong.
Good job, Emily.
7:45.
Come on, Hannah!
Hannah, 7:50.
Good job. So you did it. You knocked time off? Okay. We wiped the sweat from her brow. Hannah, how you feeling?
Now I'm feeling fine. I wasn't.
What are you drinking?
I'm drinking a Fit Aid for recovery.
You have to be fit to drink those, right?
Yeah.
All right. What was going through your mind when you were doing your mile run? How much training did you do for this?
We trained for like 6 or 8 weeks. Every Saturday morning we would run intervals. So the coach is really good at what he does, and he plans out the workouts.
Coach Matt, thank you.
Yeah.
I was in that class and I wasn't thrown out. I just kind of failed out.
You didn't fail out. But yeah, so we've been training for this. We tested our 1 mile to start off and then trained for it to retest, and everyone did better than the first time, so.
Good. Cutting time off.
Success.
You've had a busy weekend.
Yeah.
Tell all the subscribers here at Morgan's Off the Leash what else happened.
I finally finished my internship. So
I am so proud of you.
that means I actually graduated.
Yay.
Well, when the diploma comes in the mail.
Right, so we're holding off on a party till then. Okay,
Right.
so and you're running back to the 1 mile run test. What went through your mind that was positive and good? What was pushing you? The camera? Like, oh, my mom's here with a camera, I better not stop?
No.
Oh, okay.
I would have stopped on camera.
I
No,
wouldn't have. You pull out a
probably-
camera, I will keep going.
Probably doing it with other people. Like if I was by myself, if no one was there,
It'd be
I
difficult.
just would have stopped. Yeah.
Yeah, and you said the sun.
Oh yeah, the sun. A little bit of humidity. It's not bad. It doesn't feel bad. It's just when the sun's beating down on you, it's.
Yeah, and that brings up thought. How do all you people out west that are like in Arizona, Colorado, like all that big sky, Montana, like how do you exercise and run with that full sun? Here in the Berg, man, we have like cloudy days forever. We just don't realize that when we have a clear sky and a full sun, like, whoo,
How to
what
handle
did we do to get this? Be blessed with this. It's beautiful. All right, well, Hannah, that's enough of that. I appreciate you being on the show, and we're going to show some clips of daughter Eva. Okay, Eva's unloading the dishwasher. Archie wants to help. I love when Eva has to turn to me and say, where does this go? All right, so that was a glimpse of daughter Eva doing dishes.
Disclaimer.
Go ahead, Hannah.
That's a rare occurrence around here.
Okay.
Eva does chores when she wants to go somewhere.
Oh boy. And I know if Eva was here listening to your 1 mile run story, she would say, disclaimer, you don't run a mile every day.
True, but I do chores every day.
Hey, Archie loves chores. Archie's a big help. All right, we are going to get into some outdoor stuff in the front yard, picking up sticks and a few other things. We'll bring you along. I've recruited Hunter. Look at the camera this way. We recruited Hunter, and seriously, Hunter will pick up all the sticks on the concrete of the on the concrete part of the driveway, and he throws them in a pile on the other side of the fence. One day I looked, I thought something large was like building a nest. I'm like, what the heck? And I realized it was from all the little sticks and twigs that Hunter picks up off of the cement part of the driveway, walks over and throws it over the fence. So we've recruited him to help us pick up sticks. He is the pro stick picker-upper, right? All right. Grab all these for me. I think I've mentioned it before when I was picking up sticks for Outdoors with the Morgans. Bending over, grabbing all these sticks. It seriously reminds me of when my kids were little and you're picking up all the toys in their room or whatever. before standing up, I gathered up as much as I could. You know, you're carrying all these toys to get put away. That's what I think of.
I've got to hop in real quick.
I think I've mentioned before, Hunter's excellent balance. He can seriously, when he was younger, he walked across the top beam of our play set, the jungle gym set. You gonna come back?
Good job.
Good job.
Can you get down?
You wanna get down?
Are you taking your shoes off?
Yeah. I can't do it, these puppy boots.
That would hurt. Yeah, I've done it before. Ready?
Ooh, nice, Eva.
Are you ready?
Hannah, take your shoes off.
The one day I came out here and I slid down it.
Well, I asked Dad one day and he was like, no, don't do that.
Oh, I did all the time. Come on up, Missy.
Just getting a stick. There was a stick up here, Mike.
Are you barefoot, Mom?
Yeah. And you can do it. Ooh, there's a hole.
We're waiting.
Ooh.
Oh, it's warm.
Down in it's cool.
Yeah, it is. Oh.
Eva's done mud bath mask or mud mask for her face. This is what you call a dirt mask for your feet. It leaves them so soft and gentle. Okay, I lost my helpers, but I have a rake. I'm just going to rake up some of this loose stuff, and I think that's a good job. Just checking on Mom. Okay, ready? Let's go. Good boy. Beautiful day. And you can hear the crunching of the leaves on the trail. I've showed on the stories for Outdoors with the Morgans. I do video footage and put some stories on. And there's some sections up here that are nice and shaded, and there's some grass growing on the trail. And the trail is covered with some maple, beautiful colored maple leaves. So maybe once we come up on that, I'll put that right in here. No, Archie. Archie. This way. Okay, so the other day, when I was walking the dogs, I brought them out here. I always thought it'd be cool to put the dogs in there when they were puppies, like Archie, or maybe with baby Ty, get his picture taken each month. But yeah. Since I'm the grandma for doing that with baby Ty, they just kind of giggled. So no one really thought that was a good, solid idea. But anyways, I brought Archie and the dogs out to this point. They sniffed around and I tried taking a few pictures of Archie and Piper and Rue right here. Like this was their little gnome house or something. And I'll put those in the video. All right, guys, ready? We got to head up on the trail. Rue's waiting for us. Come on. Come on. Okay. This is our simple Saturday stuff, which I love. It keeps us busy. I make a list of projects we need to do. And in between working on the projects, it's refreshing to be able to take the dogs for a walk. Enjoy these trails, the trees, the leaves. And hear that, just the sounds of As many would say, nature, wildlife. I always think it's just peaceful and reverent out on the trails. And yeah, just able to collect my thoughts. All right, look at this nice section, shaded with a couple maple trees. And look at the beautiful pinkish, reddish color leaves all through here. Hear the sounds it makes underneath my steps. And what do you think, Rue? Yeah, this section sure is. The pretty garden leaves, the beginning of fall right here. Many of you have commented saying that Archie's going to be the new alpha. He's going to be the new pack leader. He definitely is trying out for it. I'm going to say that. He puts the heat pretty hard to Piper. And Rue? He doesn't mess with Rue. Rue kind of leaves him alone. Is silent with him. And Piper? She's had enough. Look how pretty you are, Piper. She knows it. See my girl in the background? Good job, Piper. Piper sticks pretty close to me on these walks. So this video is just some simple Saturday stuff. And like I said, we like to do our projects. I have a list of projects we're going to work on and how long it's going to take us or how many sections of the project we're going to do. And in between we get breaks, and that's taking, you know, Hunter for a quick ride or making lunch, or like now, taking the dogs for a walk. So we're back at it. I'm heading back. We're almost right to the house, and we're going to get into a couple other things. I need to use the BX to clean up some stuff that I did in the front yard for Outdoors with the Morgans and Mike's projects. Yeah, Hunter is possibly got one more load of laundry we have to do, and he's got a couple more chores to work on. Now that the leaves are falling, they will be, now that the leaves are falling, it's time to get out that backpack leaf blower. And that for sure is another thing Hunter loves to watch us do. I have a treat in my hand. Archie. Rue. Come on, Piper. Good girl. Whew. I'm glistening. Okay, so that was some simple Saturday stuff we do here at Morgan's Off the Leash. And last night I was able to do some crocheting on an Afghan I'm making for a gift, and I'm going to show it to you. This is it so far. So I have a little more to do, but just thought since I had a little bit of footage of me crocheting this Afghan that I'd give you a glimpse of what it. So that is the Afghan with just the gray Burnett blanket yarn. And don't worry, I won't be doing any crochet videos, but I do like to put in some things of what we're doing, and crocheting is one thing I enjoy doing here at Morgan's Off the Leash. Alright, hope you enjoy this video. Click the thumbs up for a like, comment down below, I love to hear from you, and share these with your friends. There's maybe more out there that want to be Morgan's Off the Leash. See you on the next one, thanks.